Hello everyone, I am Janvi Pal from 4BSCDH and today we will be exploring the comparative analysis of three popular NoSQL databases which are MongoDB, DynamoDB and HBase. So these are the topics which we are going to talk about. So while all the three serve the purpose of handling unstructured data, they have distinct features and use cases that make them suitable for different scenarios. We'll explore the unique strengths and applications of MongoDB's document-oriented approach, DynamoDB's seamlessly scalability, and HBase's integration with the Hadoop ecosystem. By the end, you'll gain the invaluable insights into choosing the ideal database solution for your organization's data management needs. So, first is MongoDB. So, MongoDB is the open source document oriented NoSQL database and out for its flexibility in the storing data like JSON like documents. Now, if we talk about key features and ideal use cases, then MongoDB is the highly scalable, supporting horizontal scaling through threading. Its rich query language allows for complex queries and aggregation operations, making it a popular choice for content management systems, real-time analytics, and mobile applications. Now, there is a use case about MongoDB as an example of Shutterfly. So, Shutterfly is one of the most popular online photo sharing application, and it is by using MongoDB to manage and store more than 6 billion images, which has a transaction rate of up to 10,000 operations per second. Shutterfly earlier used Oracle, but later transitioned to MongoDB. Now moving to DynamoDB. DynamoDB is fully managed NoSQL database service provided by AWS. It offers seamlessly scalability, automatically adjusting to handle any workload. Now, if we talk about the key features of DynamoDB, DynamoDB supports both key value and document data models, ensuring predictable performance with single digit millisecond latency. This makes it ideal for web applications, gaming, and IoT use cases. Now, if we take an example, there is Duolingo app, which is an online learning site, uses DynamoDB to store approximately 31 billion data objects on their web server. This startup was around 18 million monthly users to perform around 6 billion exercises using the Duolingo app, and because their applications has 24,000 read units per second and 3,300 write units per second, DynamoDB ended up being the right fit for them. Also, the fact that DynamoDB scales automatically meant that this small startup did not need to use their developers to manually adjust the size. DynamoDB has simplified as well as scaled to meet their needs. Next up, let's explore HBase. HBase is an open source distributed column oriented database built on the top of Hadoop. It is basically designed for scalability, distributed data across the thousands of servers. Now, if we talk about the scalability, consistency, and Hadoop integration, HBase provide strong consistency guarantees to read and write operations along with fault tolerance through data replication. If we talk about Hadoop integration, uh, in the Hadoop ecosystem, it makes it suitable for big data analytics, time series data, and large scale data warehousing. HBase, HBase, HBase is used for both write heavy applications as well as applications that need to provide fast random access to vast amount of available data. Some examples include Stumble Upon, Mozilla, Adobe, Explorers, and Facebook. As we know, Facebook as we know, Facebook is a very popular app. It uses HBase to power its messages infrastructure, and Mozilla for managing crash reports and etc. Now there is feature comparison. So if we talk about data model, MongoDB uses the document model, DynamoDB uses employee key value, while HBase is column oriented. And if we talk about scalability, MongoDB and HBase both supports horizontal scaling, while DynamoDB offers seamless scalability. Then there is consistency. MongoDB provides eventual consistency, DynamoDB offers strong consistency, and HBase ensures strong consistency. And then there is query language. So MongoDB is a very rich query language. DynamoDB is limitedly querying capabilities, and HBase also have limited query capabilities. We talk about management. So the MongoDB is a self-managed or use enterprise solutions. DynamoDB is fully managed, and HBase is self-managed by Hadoop. And there are huge use cases in which each database excels at specific use cases, such as MongoDB for content management, DynamoDB for web application, and HBase for big data analytics. Now, in conclusion, there were the realms of MongoDB, DynamoDB, and HBase that illuminated the diverse landscape of NoSQL databases. Each platform brings its own set of strengths and specialized functionalities to the table, catering to the wide array of use cases in today's data-centric world. MongoDB excels in the document-oriented flexibility. DynamoDB impresses with the seamless scalability, and HV stands out with the integration of the robust Hadoop ecosystem. Thank you for joining on this enlightenment explorations. And there are the references. Thank you.